Have you ever wished you could create dozens of designs in minutes instead of hours? Well, with Canva's bulk create feature, that's now possible, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. First, open the design you want to work with. Then, head over to the Apps menu and search for bulk create. This is where the magic begins. You can add your content in two ways. Either enter your data manually or upload a CSV file or Canva sheet. The choice is yours, depending on how much information you have. Once your data is ready, the next step is to link it to your design. Click on the text or image elements you want to vary and connect them to the corresponding columns in your data. For example, if you're creating social media posts, each row in your file could have a different quote, image, or product name. Finally, click Generate and watch Canva work its magic. Instantly, it will create multiple new designs based on your template and your data. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for saving hours of repetitive work. Whether you're designing marketing material, social media posts, or product catalogs, Bulk Create takes your productivity to the next level. Give it a try, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it.